Omukulembeze w'eggwanga His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ayongedde okusiima bannabyamizannyo olw'omutindo gwe bazze boolesa mu mizannyo egitali gimu. Mubaaliddemu nabo ekyemisana mubaddemu ttiimu y'omupiira ey'abali wansi w'emyaka 17 eyakiise mu mpaka ez'ensi yonna eza World Cup nga yafuuse ttiimu esookedde ddala ey'omupiira okukiika mu mpaka z'ensi yonna mu myaka 10. Kubaddeko ttiimu ya basketball ey'abakyala the Lady Gazelles nga bano baawangula empaka eza FIBA Afrobasket omwaka 2025 Zone 5 mu ggwanga erya Egypt. Kuno kugatta ttiimu ya rugby nga bwe baawangula eza Rugby Africa Cup Division 1 ezali mu ggwanga erya Ivory Coast.
Africans are very strong naturally, physically. You normally see them dominating sports in the whole world. If you have that Olympics, I think 60% of the medals are taken by black people. But running for everybody, running for others. Find a black man winning for Qatar, for I don't know what, for United States, you don't see anybody else, it's only black people. So concentrate on work with the Minister of Health about nutrition. It's part of sports development, in my view.
Bw'atyo omukulembeze w'eggwanga ayongedde okunnyikiza nti ensimbi z'ateeka mu by'emizannyo atandika butandisi.
What you are seeing now is just endozo. Endozo, we call it in our Bantu language. It's just to taste. Much more is possible. So I'm very happy to be here to congratulate the 3 groups with Mama, the basketball, women, rugby, women, and the football under 17. Congratulations.
We thank our God for his goodness and mercy, and we thank you for being used of him, for the sacrifices you have made to pay to ensure a stable and enabling environment for our young people and their population and the population of this country to thrive in this nation.
Abakulira emizannyo gyonna esatu basiimye omukulembeze w'eggwanga.
Your Excellency, when our children using their talents go out and perform, carrying the flag of this country, singing the national anthem of this country, there cannot be a better sign of patriotism and love for our country than what sports does.
As from the Rugby Uganda, I would like to commend the efforts of the new Sports Act and the base that it is putting up for the game, development, sustainability, professionalism of sport, the increased funding in infrastructure. I would like to say that rugby is now being played in Nambole, which is a very big milestone.
Basketball today in the country, as I speak this year, our under 16, the national team of the Gazelles, the seniors, and the national team for the men's, the Silverbacks, will all be representing Africa, all happening this year, thanks to your continued support. So congratulations, and that's a big statement to what basketball has happened.